Aloe vera production. Large-scale production is becoming a global industry. It is expanding to meet the growing demands of the international market, particularly in the areas of skincare, health, and natural products. Let's take a look at what those products are like. Aloe vera is no longer just a folk remedy. Its versatile benefits have made this plant a core ingredient in many different industries. From cosmetics and pharmaceuticals to dietary supplements, aloe vera is becoming increasingly common in modern life. This plant is widely known for its soothing and restorative properties. The natural compounds in aloe vera possess antibacterial, antioxidant, and tissue-regenerating properties. Therefore, it is widely used in moisturizing, anti-aging, burn treatment, and wound healing products. One of the reasons aloe vera is mass-produced is its ease of cultivation. Aloe vera plants grow well, require few resources, are environmentally friendly, and have low investment costs. These factors make it a suitable crop for large-scale sustainable production. Aloe vera thrives in areas close to consumer markets. It adapts well to arid and semi-arid climates, where rainfall is low and the soil needs to have good drainage. Therefore, large-scale plantations are often located in areas with ideal natural conditions.
Many areas in the United States, Mexico, India, and several African countries have become centers for aloe vera cultivation. Here, farms can span hundreds of acres, scientifically planned to optimize yield and harvesting.
Aloe plants are usually propagated by young shoots, growing from the base of mature plants. These seedlings are carefully selected before being planted. Afterwards, they are transplanted into fields at appropriate distances to ensure sufficient space for growth and ease of care. After planting, aloe vera plants need a long time to reach maturity. Typically, this cycle lasts from 18 to 24 months. When the plants reach the appropriate size and quality, they are ready for harvesting. Harvesting aloe vera is a labor-intensive and skilled task. Skilled workers will carefully prune the outer leaves close to the base of the tree. The young inner leaves are left so that the tree can continue to grow for subsequent seasons. Specialized cutting tools such as sharp knives are used to minimize damage. The goal is to keep the leaves in the best possible condition before processing. Immediately after harvesting, aloe vera leaves are transported quickly to the factory. The transportation process typically uses temperature-controlled trucks. This helps to limit decomposition and maintain the quality of the leaves throughout the journey. At the factory, aloe vera leaves undergo a large-scale cleaning process. The automated washing system is equipped with rotating brushes and high-pressure water jets. Dirt and impurities adhering to the leaf surface are completely removed. After washing, each leaf is manually inspected. Only leaves that meet the standards of freshness and appearance are moved to the next stage. Poor quality leaves are discarded at the beginning of the process. The next stage is gel extraction. Aloe vera gel is separated from the outer layer by manual or mechanical methods. In modern facilities, this process is usually semi-automatic. Machines will cut the leaves into sections and extract the gel inside. Workers supervise the process to ensure accuracy and hygiene. The combination of humans and machines helps process large volumes in a short time. The collected gel fractions are gathered into large containers. This process is designed to minimize pollution and limit material waste. On an industrial scale, most steps are automated or semi-automated. The aloe vera gel is then subjected to a sterilization process. Rapid heating and instant cooling kill bacteria and extend shelf life. This is followed by an advanced filtration system to completely remove any remaining solid particles and impurities. Typically, gels must undergo several different filtration stages, including coarse filtration, fine filtration, and ultrafiltration, to achieve the desired clarity and purity. Each filtration step directly affects the quality of the final product. Depending on the intended use, stabilized aloe vera gel can be blended with other ingredients. In the cosmetics industry, the gel is often combined with preservatives, fragrances, or other additive compounds. Each formula is individually designed to suit each product line. On a large production scale, aloe vera gel is typically packaged in industrial containers. Large-capacity sterile intermediate containers or bags are used for bulk distribution. A container can hold between 275 and 330 gallons of aloe vera gel. Multi-layered sterile bags help maintain a clean and stable environment for the product. The filling process utilizes a precisely calibrated pumping and piping system to ensure uniformity. The growing trend toward natural and organic consumption continues to drive demand for aloe vera. Consumers are increasingly seeking safe, effective, and health-friendly solutions. In this context, aloe vera is predicted to continue playing an important role as a valuable natural resource and will be widely used globally.